of all those boxes. All right, this is break number 623. What's up, Robert? What's up, Lee? How's it going, Tanner? This is round 20. My box cutter. I'm just going to slice both of them while I have it open. All right, 2016 Black Gold and 2017 Majestic. We'll start with Black Gold. Your teams are scrolling there on the bottom. Yeah, quite a few trades. I also posted it, so if anything's wrong there, do let me know. It's not too late to fix it. The time when it's too late is when I ship. Alright, 2016 Black Gold, 2 packs, 5 cards each. Six hits if you count the metal cards as hits. I do. Pull out. Just I'm gonna keep it up. I mean, I'm trying to break good stuff, so they'll always be here. Just know that. Alright, first card out is a gold nugget out of 15, Terrell Davis for the Denver Broncos. Nice base shadow box. Gonna go to Garrett Arms. We need some sun poodles. What's going on, Dustin? How are you? What's a sun poodle? Nope, that is not a Seahawk. That is a Bronco. Alright, next one out. Von Bell, Golden Prospect Signatures for the New Orleans Saints, number to 199. Von Bell will be headed to Jory Killam. Next one out, you asked for this team. For the Ravens, Keenan Reynolds, the metallic marks, nice looking autograph, number to 99. I mean, not a fancy signature, I just like that metallic gold on the black background. For the Baltimore Ravens, this one headed to Sean Turtleman Shear. Man, Sean, you are hot. Next one has some fantastic patches. We've pulled, oh, this is Junior Seau. Look at these beautiful patches. Number 2 out of 5, Golden Opportunity. The 3-color patch up here, and you even got a 4-color patch down here. There's a bit of a dark blue on the bottom right. Oh, Joey Bosa's on that card too. Alright. That's what I saw in the background. Junior Seau, Joey Bosa. That's Junior's patch. That's Joey's patch. That is a very nice Chargers card. That will be headed to Justin Jenkins. Last card of the first pack. For the Browns, Terrell Pryor shadow box, number to 225. And Terrell is headed to Dustin Laconey. And I'm going to say it again, there's a 5-box baseball breakup. It's Diamond Kings. 16 Finest. The Diamond Kings is from 2017. 16 gold label, 16 Panini Pantheon, and 17 Topps Tier 1. 5 products, $20 a spot. Probably post football after this, waiting for that one to fill. Marcus Mariota, number to 50, Golden Arm Shadow Box for the Tennessee Titans. And that one's going to Matt Vitagliano. Garrett, I thought about just running this same break back. Just doing another one exact same price, same everything. And I'll be posting it here right after we're done. Next card. Oh, Titans. Yeah, I said that was gone. That's a cool one. Out of 25. Hall of Fame symbol, Barry Sanders for the Detroit Lions. And that one's going to be going to Greg Flew. They don't make sleeves this big, and I've never had a great way to store these. So we're going to be putting it in that box over there. Put it in there when we're done. Next one out. Nice big old 2-color patch. Laquan Treadwell for the Minnesota Vikings RPA, number to 99, with a nice big 2-color patch. For the Vikings, that one going to Greg Kudebeck. What boxes, Tanner? You talking about like this? That one, I could ship it for $6.50. That box, and I could ship some cards inside of it. Next card is Michael Thomas, number to 249, quad patch for the New Orleans Saints. And then the way I can ship it for $6.50 is in a bubble mailer, so it could get banged up a little, but I do have tins I can also ship out. For the Saints, this one going to Jory Killam. I got Tanner. There's National Treasures boxes. Cost $6.50 to ship that, or Immaculate tins. Those are what people usually want. If you want black gold, that's fine. I don't know if I can fit both of them in the $6.50 mailer. Last card of black gold is Brock Osweiler, number to 225, shadow box for the Houston Texans. You like the box and the tin? Yeah, they're kind of nice. I got plenty of those. I can fit one inside a $6.50 bubbler, so instead of the $4 to ship, I can do it for $6.50 and put your cards inside them. For the Texans, this one going to Robert Singletary. Alright, that was black gold. Let's bust out Majestic. You want Majestic too, it's the same thing. It's kind of a thin box. And I never thought anybody wanted them, so it's got a scratch in it from when I sliced it. The tins and boxes are nice though, if you are interested. Just let me know, PM me. That way I can mark it down. I'm trying not to look. I want to be surprised. That bottom card can be fire. Also seen some duds back there. Kelvin Benjamin is the first card non-hit, numbered out of 99 for the Carolina Panthers, going to Lance A. Tucker. Next non-hit is Cameron Brate, 25 out of 25 for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That one going to Montana Hines. And we got our first duplicate player. This one, Laquan Treadwell, Protégés Materials, number to 149 for the Minnesota Vikings. That one going to Greg Kudebeck. Interesting break. We got another double up. This is Joey Bosa, Protégés Materials, number to 149 for the San Diego Chargers. Los Angeles Chargers, excuse me. That one headed to Justin Jenkins. Next card for the Oakland Raiders, two-color patch of Clive Walford, Unsung Warriors, number to 75. This one for the Raiders headed to Sean Turtleman Shear. Staying hot for the Raiders, Derek Carr, team pedigree, numbered to 25. The heck kind of patches that, pants? Silver. For the Raiders, this card also headed to Sean Turtleman Shear. Should be autographs left. Looks like it. For the Patriots, Willie McGinnis, team pedigree, autograph, number to 99. This card going to go to Tanner Proctor. I thought so. The chat went out on my screen. I don't know who you were saying who to. Clive Walford. Next one out. Very nice patch. RPA Elijah Hood. Number to 199. In his North Carolina gear. Elijah, we're going to have to look up. I should know it, but I don't. This is an Oakland Raider break. For the Raiders, this one going to Sean Turtleman Shear. Yep, Elijah Hood. Nice three-color patch on that one. Next card is Dante Foreman. Numbered out of 99, RPA for the Houston Texans. That one I remember because he went to Texas. I couldn't help but remember he got drafted by the Texans. That's a Sun Poodle. Alright, got a Sun Poodle. For the Texans, that one's going to Robert Singletary. A Boom Poodle. And the last card out of the break is Wondrous Receivers. Andre Reed, number to 49 for the Buffalo Bills. It's one you don't see every day. Cool card. We've seen better from Majestic. Some cool cards going out. That one for the Bills going to Justin Jenkins. We don't really need to be talking about banging poodles in here, guys. It's inappropriate. Alright, let's review these cards. This little stack going out. Barry Sanders Hall of Fame metal symbol. I'm going to stick it in there with a penny sleeve. Get some top loaders to fill it in so they don't shake around. Not top loaders, but fillers. Who got the Lions? Let's do this when we're done. Greg Flew. I'll put that one in your stack, Greg. Alright, let's rewind. Andre Reed, Wondrous Receivers, Autograph Bills. Dante Foreman, RPA, Texans. Elijah Hood, 3-color patch, RPA, Raiders. Willie McGinnis, Autograph, Patriots. Derek Carr, Team Pedigree, Relic, Raiders. Clive Walford, Relic, Raiders. Joey Bosa, Relic for the Chargers. Laquan Treadwell, Vikings. Cameron Brate and Kelvin Benjamin were the non-hits. Shadowbox, Brock Osweiler, Texans. Michael Thomas Saints, Quad Relic. Laquan Treadwell, 2-color, huge patch, RPA, Vikings. Marcus Mariota, Golden Arm, Shadowbox. Terrell Pryor, Shadowbox, Browns. Joey Bosa and Junior Seau, number to 5. Very nice 3-color patch and 4-color patch on that one. For the Ravens, Keenan Reynolds, metallic marks. Von Bell, Saints. Autograph, and Terrell Davis, number 15, Gold Nuggets. Shadowbox for the Broncos. Cool break. Not the biggest. We didn't light the world on fire or anything, but solid cards. You guys want to run it back? Same break. I've got one more Majestic, and I do have more black gold. Don't do that, Ed. Things do get better. Personally, I'm scared of trading for just that reason, but at least it wasn't anything crazy. Yeah, it wasn't a Deshaun Watson RPA. So, could be worse. Three box break, I could do 2 black gold. You have to pump it up there a little bit more, up near 18 or something dollars. I'm scared of that because baseball's struggling so much. Alright, Greg Flew putting this little pack with you. I won't be opening it again. Alright guys, see you soon. See you later. Hopefully I'll see you. Ed, I want to see you again. Don't do that.